Today we're gonna get to cleaning the main engine block. Now, as you see here, these have already been cleaned. I did this off camera, made them look nice and spicy, nice and clean. What I'm gonna do now is set this aside, get the engine block up here. From AA Performance Products in California. I wonder what could be in here. Look at that, shiny new with brand new. I don't know the name of it. Simple aluminum, nothing special. The shields seal kit. Little warning here. If you live in California, these will give you cancer. So be careful. If you're a California resident, that's what these warnings all say. Ta-da! Ooh. And these are dual port. Dual port means there are two rather than one, which can be found Beetles, older Beetles. Look at that. Nice. it's me from the future, or the present, or whatever. I realized I never filmed an outro for this. So, long story short, it ran just fine. I had a couple issues with the car pulling too much power, so I removed the electric fuel pump and put the mechanical fuel pump back in. So the engine does run very well. Now here's the deal. I've got a whole other plan for the Virus that doesn't involve the 1600cc engine. So if you are interested in buying the engine, I'll leave my email down below and you can throw me an offer. Now make it reasonable. I don't want that, oh, $2, LOL, here's some spam emails, hope you like it. I want some decent offers, okay? You've seen what I've done, you've seen how much work time I put into this, so be kind, okay? So email down below, let me know if you want it, we'll figure something out. And as always, stay rusty!